Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi 11T Pro, and today I will show you how to put the device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you will want to hold the power key and from there select power off in order to obviously turn off your phone. And once the phone is off, you want to then hold power key and volume down at the same time. And there we go, we are now in Fastboot mode. So that is how you would boot into it. And to leave it, all you need to do is hold power key till the screen turns off. So I'll do that right now. Something like 10 seconds or so before it turns off after, well, when you hold the key. And once it turns off, you can let go and the device will boot back up on its own. And as you can see, we're now back in Android. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.